Hello and welcome. In today's video, we have an equation involving number base. On the left, we have 23 base n, and on our right, we have 111 in base 2. The question is asking us to solve for this unknown base n. Okay, to solve this is very easy. Okay, the first thing we are going to do here to make 23 base n to be in the form of base 10 and also make this binary number here to be in base 10. You recall, to convert any number to base 10, you expand that number in the powers of that base. So to do this now, we'll start by assigning power. So these 3 will carry the power of 0, these 2 will carry the power of 1. Same here, we start from this number here. This would be 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now let's expand. So this becomes 2 times the base n raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times the base n raised to the power of 0 equals. So we expand this, it becomes 1 times 2 the base raised to the power of 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Now let's get our values. N raised to the power of 1 is n. 2 times n will give us 2n plus n raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 3 times 1 will give us 3 equals 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. So it gives us 8 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is 2 times 2 and that gives us 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2 and then 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 will give us 1. So now on the left hand side we have 2n plus 3 and on our right we have 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 will give us 15. Now we have a simple linear equation. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, I sincerely appreciate you. And if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notifications so that when next I post any video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you. Next thing we are going to do is to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. So we have here 2n equals 15 minus 3. 2n then equals 15 minus 3 will give us 12. In order to find our n, we divide both sides of the equation by 2. These 2 here, we cancel out these 2. 2 we go into 12, 6. So n equals 6. And this is our unknown base number. Our second example here says 11 base x minus 6 equals 3 minus 10 base x. I want you to pause this video and see if you can attempt it. Okay, so if you look closely, 6 and on the left hand side and 3 on the right hand side are expressed in the common base, and that is what? Base 10. So to make our left hand side to be equal to our right hand side, we have to ensure that all these numbers are in same base. So what we are going to do now is to express 11 base x as a base 10 number, as well as express 10 base x as a base 10 number. So what we are going to do here is very simple. We simply expand 11 base x and the powers of x. So here now becomes 1 times x raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times x raised to the power of 0 minus 6 that is already in base 10 equals 3 minus, if we assign power, this is 0 and this is 1, becomes 1 times x raised to the power of 1 plus 0 times x raised to the power of 0. Now, let's expand. 1 times x raised to the power of 1 is x. X raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 will give us 1 minus 6. Then on the right hand side, we have 3 minus 1 times x raised to the power of minus 1 times x raised to the power of 1 is x. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So we have this sorted out. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to group the like terms. We are going to group the x to the left-hand side and the real numbers to the right-hand side. So minus x crossing over becomes plus. So we have here x plus x equals 3. Minus crossing over becomes plus, and this plus 1 crossing over becomes minus 1. So x plus x will give us 2x equals 3 plus 6, 9. 9 minus 1 will give us 8. Now we are looking for x. The next thing we are going to do is to divide both sides of the equation by 2. So we have here cancelled out. X equals 2 can go into 8 4 times, so x is 4. So our unknown base number here is 4. I hope this video was helpful to you in learning equations involving number base with ease. If it did, kindly leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Meanwhile, evaluate this and leave your answer in the comments. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.